Good morning, students. Now let us continue with our exercise 3.8 first question. Fill in the blanks. X-axis and y-axis intersect at dash. It is origin. Okay. So the point is 0, 0. The coordinates of the point in the third quadrant are always negative. Why? Because see, if you take the Cartesian plane and if you divide it by that is already it is divided by 4 equal parts. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. They are asking about the third quadrant. It is always negative. Why? Because always if the quadrant, that is if the coordinates are negative or positive, will decide only with the x-axis values. What is the x-axis value? Then you will take it as first quadrant, second quadrant, that is negative, positive, like that you will take. So see, this line of x-axis is always positive, This line of x-axis is always negative, So for these two quadrants, this x-axis will be positive. So the coordinates will also be positive. For this two, the x-axis is negative. Therefore, the two quadrants will have negative coordinates. That's it. It is very easy concept. If you understand, it is very, very easy. 0, minus 5 point lies on dash axis. See, just remember, okay, whenever x value is given 0, then the point will be lying on y axis. Whenever the x value is given 0, the point lies on y axis. Whenever y value is given 0, then the point will be lying on the x axis. How to, I'll tell you where this point lies now. See, if this is Cartesian plane, then it is given 0, minus 5, right? So 0 is here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So the point which is given is this. So I didn't put the exact measurement, okay, just for your understanding. But you should remember that the distance between 0 and minus 1, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 2 and minus 3 are all same. It should be exactly 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter each. Okay, so but for reference I have just marked it. Okay, so the point 0, minus 5 is this. So don't forget. Okay, if the x value, that is the two coordinates are given and the x value is 0, then the point will be lying on y axis. If y value is given 0, if this is given minus 5, 0, then what you will do means take the negative side of x axis. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. So this point will be your answer. Okay, so just keep this in mind. Okay, so it lies on y axis. The x coordinate is always 0 on the y axis. The x coordinate will be always 0 on the y axis. So if you see in exam, if you are given 1, 2, 3, let me take 3. If you are given a point like this and they are asking to write the coordinates of this the given point, then what you will do? You will just put, see, if the point lies on y axis itself, therefore you should not think at all. You should just put x value as 0. And what is the point marked here? 3. So just put this. That's it. Okay, so you should not get confused in this concept at all. The x coordinate will be always 0 on the y axis. The y coordinate will be always 0 on the x axis. Okay, dash coordinates are the same for a line parallel to y axis. X coordinates. See, suppose this is Cartesian plane. Okay, so if you are drawing a parallel line to y, suppose if you are drawing, then all the coordinates, x coordinates, that is if this is 0 and this is 1 and this is 1, 2 and this is, these 2 points are given, let's take, okay, minus 1, minus 2, okay. So if you are going to mark these, what you will do means this is 1, right? So this will be 1, 1. this will be 1 comma 2, this will be 1 comma minus 1. Okay, this will be 1 comma minus 2. See, all the x coordinates are same in this parallel line, right? So if you draw a parallel line to y axis and mark all the points, then you will get the x coordinates as same. In the same way, if you mark a parallel line to x axis, all the y coordinates will be same. Okay, true or false? Okay, minus 10 comma 20 lies in the second quadrant. How to check it if it lies in the second quadrant or not? Draw imaginary Cartesian plane. Okay, so you don't need to mark 10 points and 20 points here. Okay, it will take time. So if you need to find an answer very quickly, then just do this process. Okay, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, I told you this is positive, this is positive, this is negative, and this is negative. So what you will do? See, the first, if your two coordinates are given, then the first one belongs to x coordinate and the second one belongs to y. Okay, y. So what the first minus 10 belongs to x axis. Then also I told you the right side of the x axis is positive and the left side of the x axis is negative. So it is given minus 10, so it will lie on the left side. Okay, so mark a point like this, just random point. Okay, then 20 is given, it is positive. So also you know that the above line of y axis is positive and the below line of y axis is negative. So it is given positive means it will be somewhere lying here. So if you mark a point here, which lies in second quadrant, right? So your answer is, that is the given question is right. So true. Minus 9 comma 0 lies on x axis. I told you if the y coordinate is given 0, directly you can choose it as x axis. The point lies on x axis. Okay, so minus 9 comma 0 lies on x axis, so it is true. Okay, if the point is 100 or 200 or something, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, you just need to worry about the y coordinate, if it is 0 or not. Okay, third one, the coordinates of the origin are 1 comma 1. No, it is not true. The coordinates of the origin will always be the coordinates as 0 comma 0. There's no change. Okay, you cannot change it as you like. It will be always 0 comma 0. Now let us continue with the third question. Okay, find the quadrants without plotting the points on the graph sheet. Okay, without plotting the points, we can find it. That is through a scale, and you will mark and a point, right? So by guessing itself, you can get it right. Now only I told you how to do this. So see, 3 comma minus 4. The first one is what? Positive. And the second one is negative. The first value will be x. X is positive, y is negative. So x is positive and y is negative. So this will be lying in the fourth quadrant. 5 comma 7. Both are positive. X is positive, y is positive. This will be in the first quadrant. 2 comma 0. See, they have given, don't plot the point on the graph sheet. So that means it can be anywhere in the graph, right? So it can be on the lines also. So the y coordinate is given 0. Therefore it lies on the x axis, and you should see the point. Okay, just write x axis after that. And minus 5 and minus 3 and minus 5. Both x and y values are negative. So minus 3 lies this side and minus 4 lies this side. So therefore it lies in the third quadrant. 4 and minus 3. 4 and minus 3. So it lies in the fourth quadrant. Minus 7 and minus 2. It lies in the third quadrant. Okay, minus 7 and this is comma. Okay. 2. Minus 7 and 2 means this is positive and this is negative. So therefore it lies in the second quadrant. Minus 8 comma 0 means automatically you can write it as x axis, because the y coordinate is given 0. And 0 comma 10 means directly you can write it as y axis, because x coordinate is given 0. Okay, then minus 9 comma 50. Whatever the number may be, 100, 200,000 or 1 lakh, that will be lying on the positive x-axis only, sorry, y-axis only. So don't get worried about the number. Just see the sign. When you are asked to find the quadrants without plotting, just to see the symbol. Okay, what is the symbol of x and what is the symbol of y. No need to worry about that number. Minus 9 and 50. Minus 9 means it lies here and 50 lies here, somewhere there. So it is second quadrant. Fourth question. Plot the points in a graph sheet. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K is given. So we have drawn a graph like this. Okay, take your graph sheet. Okay, so you no need to put one. You no need to measure something. So just draw two lines. Okay, when it cuts, then you will have 0 here. Then after one box, you put one number. Okay, mark that point and put one number, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Put everything, and after that you are going to mark now. So the first point is given A, 5 comma 2. 5 comma 2 means both the values are positive, therefore it lies in the first quadrant. Okay, if both the values are negative, it lies in the third quadrant. Okay, don't forget, if x is negative and y is positive, it lies in the second quadrant, and if x is positive and y is negative, it lies in the fourth quadrant. So see, first one, both are positive, therefore it lies in the first quadrant. You're just going to mark. Okay, 5 comma 2 means x value is 5 and y value is 2. X value is 5 and y value is 2. So what you are going to do means, from, if x value is given 5, then from 5 you have to mark 2 centimeters up, because y value is given 2. Also you need to know one point. What is a coordinate means, if phi is a coordinate of x, then it will be the point will be lying 5 centimeters away from y axis. You should understand it very clearly. This is very important for your higher classes too. If phi is the coordinate of x given, then it will be 5 centimeter away from the y axis. If 2 is given as a coordinate of y axis, then it will be 2 centimeters away from the opposite axis, which is x axis. See, 2 is given as the y coordinate, right? So it will be 2 centimeter away from the point, will be 2 centimeter away from the x axis. It is away only going, right? It is not coming here, it is going away. Then when you draw a line, you should keep in mind. Okay, also the x coordinate is 5, therefore it is moving away 5 centimeter. Okay, it is very important concept. Okay, then B, minus 7 comma minus 3, both are negative, so it will be lying in the third quadrant, right? So minus 7 and minus 3. So just see, this minus will be helpful only to find out the quadrant. Okay, but it will not be helpful in drawing this. Okay, minus 7 and minus 3 means, just take the numbers 7 and 3. So 7 is the part of x-axis, therefore it will be 7 centimeter away from y-axis. The point will be 7 centimeter away from y-axis, and the y coordinate is given 3, minus 3. So I am not taking minus here. I've just found this is third quadrant, so I don't need minus now. Now let's take 3. Okay, so if y coordinate is given 3 or minus 3, the point will be 3 centimeter away from the x-axis. 3 centimeter away from the x-axis. Okay, you should clearly understand this. Okay, then I have marked this. Seeing this as example, you can mark all the other things. Okay. Fifth question. Use the graph to determine the coordinates where each figure is located. Star. See, by seeing the graph, we are going to mark. Okay. So it is 3. See, you have to just draw the lines. Okay. draw the lines, and when you draw this line, then what is the point joining x-axis means it is 3. So 3 comma, here it is 2, right? So 2. Then bird is there. Where is bird? Bird is here. So it lies on x-axis. Therefore, the y value will be 0. And what is the point on x-axis? You have to just put it. So it is minus 2 comma 0. Red circle. Red circle means here. It is red circle, and so your point will be minus 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Diamond. Diamond, where it is here. So your point will be the x coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore, it is minus 2 comma 2. Okay. Triangle. Where is triangle? Here. Yeah. This is minus 1 comma minus 1. Ant. Where is ant? Here it is. So it is 3 comma minus 1. Okay. Mango. Where is mango? Here it is. So it lies on y-axis. Therefore, you should put the x value as 0. So your answer will be 0 comma the y coordinate is 2. 0 comma 2. Okay. Then where is housefly? Here it is. So it lies on x-axis. Therefore, the y coordinate will be 0 and the x coordinate is 2 means 2 comma 0. That's it. Where is medal? Medal is here. So x coordinate is minus 3 and y coordinate is 3. Therefore, minus 3 comma 3. Spider is here. It lies on y axis. Therefore, x coordinate will be 0. Therefore, it is 0 comma minus 2. Now, let us see how to obtain a straight line. Okay. See, a example is given. Let us see this. Draw a straight line by joining points A minus 2 comma 6 and B 4 comma minus 3. Okay. So you are given 2 points and you have see 2 random points will be given. You have to draw a straight line for that. Okay. Very easy. First one solution. The given first point lie A minus 2 comma 6 lies in the second quadrant, right? And the plot quadrant and plot it. We have to plot that point. Okay. Now see, we have plotted it. Minus 2 comma 6. This will be the exact picture of your graph, right? So it is minus 2 comma 6. So mark the point here. After that, point B 4 comma minus 3 lies in the fourth quadrant and we have to plot it. It lies in the fourth quadrant, right? So it is 4 comma minus 3. So plot the point here. After that, what you should do means now join the point A and B using scale and extend. You have to extend the points. That is very important. Okay. From here to here. You have to keep the scale very accurately and draw. Then only you will get these points. So here you will be introduced a concept called intercept. Intercept means the point which lies on the line as well as the x-axis will be called as x-intercept, and the point which lies on the line, given line, as well as the y-axis will be called as y-intercept. Okay. Also, intercept also means the y coordinate, that is x-intercept means y coordinate will be 0. Y-intercept means x coordinate will be 0. Don't forget to write the scale, okay? Note on the x-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit and the y-axis 1 cm equal to 1 unit. Also you should write this x, y, x dash, y dash. Okay, and 0 should be marked. Now the next example is draw straight lines by joining the points A, B, M and N is given. Also find the point of intersection. What you should do means now plot the points first. 2 comma 5, it lies in the first quadrant. Okay, 2 comma 5, so plot it here. Minus 5 comma minus 2, it lies here. Minus 5 comma minus 2, so plot it here. Then draw a line joining these 2 points. Now M and N. Minus 5 comma 4 means minus 5 comma 4, so plot it here. After that, N is 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma minus 2, so plot it here. Just draw a line. After that, not only you should draw the lines, you should also find the point of intersection, that is where that 2 lines meet, that is called as point of intersection, that is here this point. So find the coordinates of this point. 1 comma minus 2. Sorry, this is y coordinate, right? So it is 2 comma 1 minus 2 comma 1. Okay. The next example is draw the graph of x equal to 5. So you can ask, what is this? Only x value is given. How can I draw a line with that? It can be drawn. It is very very easy actually. So if x value is only given, then you have actually advantage. You can take whatever the y value has. Okay, so see, x equal to 5 means the x coordinate will always be 5 for whatever value of y coordinate. So you can take the value of y coordinate as anything, but don't go far away. That is, don't go with big numbers for the coordinate of y. That is, don't take 100, 200 and all. Okay, you can't plot that in the graph, right? So take small numbers, 1, 5, 3, 4, 0, anything you can take. Okay, then so we are given any value for y coordinate and this is tabulated as follow. First they are taking what and all, you see, x and y. See, if in the question x is given 5, then all the values of x should be 5, and y is not given means you can take y as any value, but it should be smaller value. I'm telling you, it is given -2, -1, 0, 2, 3. Okay, so if you draw a line parallel to y-axis through the point the point 5 in x-axis, then you can plot all the points you needed. Okay, that is 5 comma -2 means this point, 5 comma -1, 5 comma 0, 5 comma 2 and 5 comma 3. That's it. Okay, so this is exactly 5 units and this is exactly 5 units. You should write the scale always. Okay, and x dash y dash and 0. These are the important things which you may lose marks in graphs. Okay, half mark will be cut when you don't put this 0, or you should put O. They both will look similar only. Also, when you don't put this x dash, you will be cut half marks. Okay, don't leave that half marks. If you write it with full concentration, then obviously you should mark all these things. Then you will get full marks in graphs. Now, what is this scale in graph? Okay, so above the graph you will be writing a thing called a scale. So you can not only you should take that is, it is not that you should take only 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You can take 1 centimeter equal to 2 units, 1 centimeter equal to 5 units, 1 centimeter equal to 100 units, 1 centimeter equal to 1000 units also you can take. But it should be applicable to the numbers given in the question. That is more important. Okay, but just understand this. Only you cannot only take 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. You can take 1 centimeter equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then any number you can take. Okay. Only thing is it should be applicable with the numbers given in the question. So see here in this graph, there is no 1, 2, 3 and all. It is straight away 5, 10, 15. This is -10, -10, 15, -5, -10. Then here it is given 2, 4, 6 and -2, -4. Why this cannot be possible, right? According to your view, this may not be possible. But in mathematics, everything is possible. Okay, so see, on this x-axis equal to 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. On the y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 5 is I want 5. Okay, see, if your point is given 20 comma 18 is given. Okay, if the point is given 20 comma 18, your graph will not be enough, and again -20 comma 12 -12 is given. Suppose it is given, so -20 and plus 20 is given. So your graph sheet may not be enough for the x-axis. The full x-axis should be at least 40 centimeter length, but your graph sheet is not that much length, right? So you cannot take one more graph sheet to draw that. Like that you cannot use two sheets for only one graph. Okay, you can only use one graph sheet for one graph. Okay, so now you have a critical situation, 20, 20 you have, but you have to mark all the points. how to do it. So if you take this as 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units, then the fourth one will be called as 20 here, and here also the fourth point will be called as minus 20. Then see, obviously you only got 8 squares, you only use 8 squares. If the point is 100 also you can take. Okay, so it is 8 square means, see, here the point is, and 18 means I have took the big number. So if you take 6 and 6 here, the point will be here, and if this is 6, then the point will be here. So you have plotted the points. 20 is given, minus 20 at the same time is given. You cannot draw, that is, you cannot point it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 this side. That is the right side, and in negative side you cannot plot from minus 1 to minus 20, right? So you can use this method, that is, you can use 1 centimeter equal to how much ever units you want. I used 5 here because see, you can directly use 20 also. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 200, 300, 400. I didn't use 100 here because so 20 will be, when you divide this into 5, the one part will be called as 20. So you cannot mark something like this, right? So it will be very easy when you take also. Not only you need to take 5, 10, 15 and all. You can straight away take 10, 20, 30 also. Then also you can mark the point. 20, 6 will be here, and 20, minus 6 will be here. That is my, see, always you should remember one thing. If you take this side as 1 unit equal to 5 centimeter, then this side of the x-axis also should be 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay, you cannot take 5, 10, 15 here and 10, 20, 30 here. Like that you cannot take. X-axis means only one that is common unit should be there. Y-axis means only one common unit should be there. It is not needed that x and y unit should be same. No, not needed. X 1 centimeter equal to any units you can have, and y 1 centimeter equal to any units you can have. Both should not be, that is, it can be same, but it need not be same. Okay, you can take both as same also. That's your wish. But if you take y also, 5 means I have given 6, right? So if this is 5 and this is 10, 6 means what you will do means here you will mark. I got 20, right? So here, then the point will be somewhere lying here. It's very tough to find. Okay, so don't use that is irregular methods. Just first you should plan how to take the units of x and y axis according to the numbers given. Okay, then only you can plot the graph. Example 2 is, on the x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 units, and the y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 50 units. See, difference is there. Okay. Now, linear graph is given. Linear pattern. The word linear means straight. Linear means straight. That's it. Okay. So, some points are given. 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, like that is given. So, just mark the points first. 0, 2. If the x coordinate is 0, then what will be happening? The point will be lying on the y-axis. So what is the coordinate of y2? So it is positive y-axis, and I have marked the point. Then 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6 is given, right? So I have marked all the points and drawn a line. Okay. Now you can see the all points can be connected in only one single line. So this is called a linear pattern. Okay, so they all lie on the line. There is some pattern in them. Look, y coordinate in each ordered pair is 2 equal to 0 plus 2, 3 equal to 1 plus 2, 4 equal to 2 plus 2, 5 equal to 3 plus 2. They are asking us to see the y coordinates. Right? 0 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, in each pair, the y coordinate is 2 more than the x coordinate. The coordinates of each point having the same relationship between them, all the points are plotted on the same line. The relationship between x and y coordinates are all same when a group of points is given, then all the points will be obviously lying on the same line. So don't forget this, okay? And that is the relationship will be called as linear pattern. Okay, so this can also be, see, if I mark points like this, if I'm marking, let us take for example, okay, so this point will be called as 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, sorry, 2 comma 1, okay, then 3 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 4, then 6 comma 5. You can see the difference. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 1 is 4. What is the relationship here means, if you subtract 1 from the x coordinate, you will get the y coordinate. 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 2. So all the pattern, that is the relationship between x and y coordinate, are all same. Therefore it will be lying on the straight line. You can just swear it, that's it, okay.